Yeah. Fire on the corner. Halima on the drive. Sunny D, Dini, Tony, Malak, Kama, UK. Binocular on standby. We far from the sand, but we keep the fire alive. Listen up.
We landed in the snow, but we brought the heat. Make it home where we settled, dominating the street. Got the Ferrers and the Highlandmores tied like a fist. Back to back in the trench, yeah, we never miss. Chin up, eyes open, never looking down. We built a kingdom in a foreign town. Call it homeland. Anywhere we stand is the zone. We make a castle out of bricks and stone. Whatever the news say, whatever they discuss, tell them it's just a commercial for us. Hey, they say our names, they make the brand grow. We stand tall, we run the show. Yeah, don't test the verbal, we legendary poets. Our mouth throw words like a machine gun. You know we're rat-a-tat-tat. The syntax is lethal. We the loudest and the proudest of people. Anyone who breathes by the nose can't tell us none. We grind from the moon to the rising sun, to the rising sun. Call it homeland. Anywhere we stand is the zone. We make a castle out of bricks and stone. Whatever the news say, whatever social media discuss, tell them it's just a commercial for us. Hey, they say our name, they make the brand grow. We stand tall, we run the show. Yeah, let them talk, let them type, let them post. We are the ones that they fear the most, because we stick together through the rain and the pain. New home, same blood running through the vein. It's free promo. It's our homeland. Keep talking, Halimos and Furs. Get out here.